How to add an Excel file to Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace dashboard, and then from here, let's go to the website editor. So we can just click website, and then from here, click edit. So now we are in the Squarespace website editor. So if you want to add an Excel file right here, so right now, there isn't really a direct way that we can add a Excel file right here in Squarespace. But what we can do is that we can use a third-party platform as a widget, and then we're going to add that widget right here in Squarespace so that we can have our Excel file. So the third-party website that we're going to use is called Elfsite, and then from here, go ahead and create an account first, and then we're going to use their widgets right here. So we can simply go to widgets right here, and then we can see the file embed right here. So this one, we can see the file embed, or you can just go ahead and click widgets. And when you go right here, there is a search bar, and then you can type in file, and then you can see file embed right here. So we can use this to add an Excel file. So click file embed, click create widget for free, and then you have the widget editor right here. So what we're going to use is this one, the Excel table. Then click continue with this template. And then from here, we just need to upload the Excel file that we are going to use. So this one is a template right here, but we're going to delete this, and then we're going to upload our own Excel file. So we can just click upload files, and then browse files right here. And then for example, I will use an Excel file that I already have. So for example, this one. So I can use that right here, and then we'll wait for it to be uploaded. And then once it's uploaded, it should now appear right here in the widget preview. So this is just a simple Excel file that I have right here. I have a task, and then status, and then date right here. And then from here, we can just go ahead and click done. You can also add a name if you want. So for example, I will put like a sample Excel file right here as the name, and then you will see it right here. Click done. And then you can also have a widget title right here. So for example, let's type in Excel file, and then it will show up like this. So I don't really want this widget title right here, so I can just delete that. From here, we can go to layout, and then we can change the design right here if you want. So right now we're using the file viewer. We can use a grid, but it will just only look like this. And then you can also use a list, but it will only just look like this. And then the visitors, the site visitors, can just click download to download the Excel file. So you can do that if you want, but I prefer having the file viewer right here. Then you can see the other settings right here, like for the file icon. So you can turn that off if you want. You have the preview image right here, but we don't really have a preview image since this is a Excel file. You have the download settings right here. So if you want to include the download link, you can turn that off or turn that on. And then for the width and height, you can change the width and height ratio right here if you want, as well as this one for the width pixels. For example, it's now 800. We can change that to 400, for example, and then we will have this small widget right here. Then for the appearance, you can change the colors if you want. For example, for the name right here, you can change it to different colors. For the icon as well, you can change that if you want. And then for the download link, and then for the background and file background. Then you can also change the fonts if you want. If you want to apply like a bold effect right here, or italic, or if you want to change the casing of the letters. Then once you're done, you can just simply click add to website for free. And then from here, you can review the widget again. So if you want to make some changes, but if you're finished, just click publish. And then there will be a different plans right here that you can use, but we'll just use the free plan. Then from here, you will have this embed code. So just copy this embed code, go back to Squarespace, and then, for example, I'll just add a blank section right here. And then we're going to use the embed block. So from here, just double click it, go to code snippet, go to embed data, paste the code right here, and then we should now have the Excel file right here. So right now it says script disabled, but when we click save and then go to the website preview, right here, when we scroll down, we should now see the Excel file right here as a widget. And then that's it. So that is how we can add an Excel file right here in Squarespace. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.